Hello everybody, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Adobe Illustrator CC class number 8. So in this class I will going to show you two tools. One tool is how to rotate your shape. You can learn by these topics. So I highly recommend it to you. In this video is keep watching very carefully. So now let's move on. So you see everybody, this is my Illustrator window and now I will show you how to use this tool. So first, before I take a rectangular shape, I take a 2 shape here to change, and first I share with you this tool. This is the rotate. Okay, you can rotate easily. If you select your center this point, then your object is round by this point. Okay, and this is also reflect tools. Okay, so it's here, it's better. Okay, I think you got it. And the next is scale tool. Okay, you can scale your shape very easily. Okay, you can make easily. Okay, so this is actually very sensitive tools. When you use this tool, then you need to very carefully to make the shape. Okay, and the next is sharp tool. So let's see. Wow, you can angle your shape any direction. Okay, so this video is enough for today. I will show you another video is another tools. See you again.